Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is vaccination day sa akong baby. And unfortunately, dili na ko siya pwede i-upload sa vlog kay strict ang yang father. I'm actually trying to vlog for today because I bought this new K9 wireless microphone. So, tanawa na to if mapanindigan ba na to atong pag-vlog. Yeah, so this is the K9 wireless microphone. Naa-share katong receiver niya which is din ako siya pwede mo pakita kay that's what I'm using. And this K9 wireless microphone is actually a noise cancellation microphone. So, let's see if after na ako mag-edit is wala bigid siya ma-adapt nga kan mga saba-saba kay you know my baby is very so yeah. And for my OOTD for today, dili na ko siya mapakita tanan because I'm just using my phone. But yeah, so this is from TikTok. It's a oversized t-shirt and I bought like 3 of this one. It's all white. Just wearing a jeans for the bottom and I'm gonna wear a shoes. Yeah, I think that would be it and I'll update you guys later if nanami sa hospital or if nami hapito nun somewhere because I'm gonna drive. So, nanami sa hospital there guys and akong bata kay nasa ko ang mama. So, I'm here in the parking lot to get the things that we need, the stroller and ang katong para sa hawak. I'm gonna go upstairs and go to my mom. And by the way, update by ay sa mic. So far, so good. Nigana ra siya. And wala dyan kayo madungog na sa kung nga sound or noise sa paligid nimo. So, still working. Let's go! So, by the way guys, update, number 2 me, and nana ang doctor. So, gitawag na ang first na patient. So, kami na next. And I think, dali rami kay vaccine naman. So, let's see what will happen. So, I'll update you guys later. Hi guys! So, update. Namin sa mga balay. As in, pag-upa lang dyan minabot kay super ka-traffic sa Philippines. And ang akong baby is nasa bed, natulog na. And what we did is we go to the hospital for my son's vaccination, which is the Japanese encephalitis vaccination. And nag-ask ko sa doctor if para asan na ano siya is that's for the brain, like mga bacteria sa brain. So, mo na siya yung giingon. And then, so far, so good with the vital signs akong baby, ang ihang height, ang ihang weight, heartbeat niya. As in, pag tusok sa doctor is, nila ka siya gamay. I mean, previous niya nga mga vaccination kay grabe kay siya mahilak pero karon kay murag feel ko na immune ako ang baby. Nihilak ka siya, nya man na to siya. Dili yun siya ingon nga as in the whole entire day siya nga naghilak ko wala yun. So, I think that's good. Ang weight sa akong baby, nautan ako sa doctor, na siya, ang weight sa akong baby is for 2 years old. With the height, grabe siya ni taas. After that one is, I'm gonna put some ointment sa katong gitusukan sa iyahang paa. So, ang iyang tusok is, nara sa iyang paa, isa ra ka buok. Previously, duha. Yeah, so I think that's good. And so for mga previous nga vaccinations akong baby is wala gid siya na-encounter nga hilanat or hubag or something bro sa iyang mga injection. So, probiyag sa akong baby. Oh yeah, nagpalit ni og choking for our lunch. Wait. Oh, hi guys, update. Very long day. And by the way guys, it's already evening around 8 or 9 something. Unfortunately, I did try to update earlier, but something happened to my son. So, I need to attend to my son's needs. Something nag-happen. As of now, kanang akong baby is na siya'y ubo og sipon, and I think that's just because of the environment, like one init. So mo na siya. And earlier nagsuka siya, as in daghan jud kay suka, so moto naratol ang mami. Grabe ka traffic kanina, so naabot mi mga 5. Actually natuog mo gid akong baby pag abot, kaso lang tungod sa iyang ubo, I don't know, more siya na suffocate or something, moto ni mata siya. And moto nagsuka siya. Good thing that my mom is there. She helped me with my son. By the way, update sa K9 wireless microphone, which is the one that I'm using right now. Ngita mo og mic, like for example, for the TikTok, like if nag-affiliate pa mo, or like if you're gonna start vlogging, I highly recommend the K9 wireless microphone, which is this one. So it has two device ba, or basta something duha siya ka box. So mo ni siya ang receiver, and then mo ni siya ang microphone, which is the one I'm using right now. So ang kaning receiver mo dito tawagan nila. Mo ni mong ibutang sa imong phone. So duha ni siya ka type. Ang first is which is the lightning, and then the second one is the USB adapter. So since ang akong phone is USB adapter, so mo na akong gi-click ang USB adapter. So sa iyo kini siya pangitaon ninyo sa TikTok guys, K9 wireless microphone. It says here it's just a plug and play, and that's right, it's a plug and play. Ibutang ra gyud mo ang receiver, and then naa siya power on diri sa loyo, which is kani. I-click ra na nimo, and then wait lang ka nga mo green ang kaning light nga naa diri. So mo ra gyud siya, mo ra gyud na imong buhaton, wala na kay ay buhaton sa imong phone or something. And then the next one that we have in here, 20 meters of accessible reception. 20 meters layon nga pwede nimo magamit ni nga microphone. Wala pa na ako siya na-try. Precise radio, yes. And then clear timbre. Upon checking sa kong mga videos earlier, very good quality jud kay siya. No noise nga imuhang madungog sa imuhang videos. And then I think that would be it. So yeah, it says here right here for type C for iPhone, for type C iPhone, and for type C iPhone and V8. I think that would be all sa kaning nga K9 wireless microphone. I think that would be it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoy, and if you like more videos, please comment down. Ganahan pa mo video pa ko. So yeah, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!